For e-commerce businesses, a CRM needs more than email data. It needs purchase history, revenue, and customer behavior tied directly to each contact. That's exactly what SureContact does when it's connected to SureCart. In this video, I'll show you how to set up this integration and configure it to automatically track purchases, refunds, cancellations, and apply tags based on real customer actions. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along and adapt it to your own SureCart store. Before we configure anything, let's look at how this integration works at a high level. SureContact uses a rule engine-based system for integrations. That means you don't need to jump between different plugin dashboards or hunt for settings. All e-commerce rules live in one place inside SureContact's integration UI. This makes complex logic easier to manage and much easier to understand later. So let's start with the global settings. When global tracking is enabled, SureContact automatically records e-commerce activity for contacts. By default, it will track order data, including total revenue, refunds, and cancellations without requiring per product setup. You can also add or remove customers to a list or add or remove tags. Think of these global settings as your baseline behavior. If no more specific integration rule exists, SureContact will fall back to these. Now, let's look at specific event-based integrations. To add a specific event-based integration, click on the purple Add Integration button, and then select from the plugins available, SureCart. From here, you can select two types, product or coupon. Let's select product. After selecting the type as product, when you select a product, depending on how much products you have in your store or the types of products you have in your store, you'll see something like this. So you can select all products here, or you can select variations, or in this case, we also have variable products and even some subscription type products. The important part here is to note the hierarchy logic. So SureContact applies rules using a clear priority order. So first level is the variation. Then it goes up to the product level. So if you want to set a variation level rule, you can do that. And then you can set a product level rule. Then you could do all products so that you could set an all product level integration rule. And finally, the global rules. So what does this mean? It means that the most specific rule always wins. So for example, if a variation has its own rule, that rule is applied first. If not, SureContact checks the parent product. If that's not configured, it falls back to all products. If none of those exist, it will use the global settings. This lets you treat premium variations differently, override behavior where needed, and avoid conflicting rules. So in this case, let's just scroll down here and select on a simple digital product. And then from here, you can then select the event that you want applied to that individual product. So we have three to choose from: purchase, cancellation, or refund. If we select purchase, so we can add in a title to give this rule a descriptive title. So we're going to say digital product purchase. Scroll down here to select lists. We can see that we've got several lists to choose from. We're going to select, we're going to put them into customers, and we can add them to more lists if we need to, and then we can add them to tags. We'll put them into a lead magnet here, and then we will leave remove from lists or remove tags blank. So we'll click on Save Changes. You'll get your first specific rule integration here for that specific digital product. And you'll see here that it has the name, digital product purchase, the configuration as a simple digital product, the type and the purchase, and the status. Now you can turn these on or off. You can add a specific note if you're doing this for client work, for example, or you could edit the integration altogether or even delete it if you need to. Now, that's great if a person purchases something, but what happens if they're canceled? Well, we want to take note of that too. So let's add another integration here. Go into Add Integration, click on SureCart, select Product as the type, and then select under the products that same simple digital product here. And then the event here I want to keep track of is cancellations. And then here I'm going to put in digital product is canceled. And for the list, we want them maybe not to keep them in the customer's list, but maybe put them in a different list. So we'll say add to sample list and remove from customers. And then we want to add them to a tag, and maybe we want to put them into a sample tag, and we want to remove them from the lead magnet tab, for example, and click on Save Changes. And then, so now you have two rules here for one particular product in the event of a purchase or a cancellation. Now let's go and talk about the coupon option here. So if we go back into Add Integration, select SureCart, select type. In this case, we're going to select coupon. So let's select a coupon here. We can do all coupons, or I have set up a 20% off coupon. So let's select the 20% off coupon here. And the same thing, we can give it a title so that it's more descriptive so we can understand what type of integration rule we're setting up here. So we will call this the 20% off coupon. Again, you have the option to add in notes. And then for the tags, we want to add in a tag called 20 off. And we have the option to remove them from a list or remove from tags. Click on Save Changes. So now we have a specific integration rule that says if anyone uses this 20% off coupon, apply that individual tag in SureContact. So this is incredibly useful for identifying discount-driven buyers, segmenting promo campaigns, and understanding how customers purchase, not just that they purchased. So now your CRM here knows how someone bought, not just what they bought. So let's test this with a real purchase. I'll place a test order in SureCart, apply a coupon code, and complete the checkout. Once the purchase is complete, SureContact automatically creates the contact, applies that person to the list, applies the coupon tag, and records revenue data. No manual syncing, no background jobs to wait for. So we've added in an email address. Let's put in our name. We're going to also then click on Add Coupon. Click on Apply. That should take 20% off our total, which is done. 20% off right there. And click on Purchase for $15.20. Our purchase was created. Now let's go over to SureContact and see the results. Here's our contact that was just added. It was added to the customer's list, and both tags were applied. We go down to the e-commerce tab, we'll also see that the total spent was $15.20 and total purchases was 1, and it even gives you the order ID and that it was completed and the source. That's how SureContact and SureCart work together to automatically track revenue and customer behavior. If you have questions, post them in the comments below or reach out directly to the SureContact support team.